Now, for building any type of website, you need two things. The first thing is a domain name for your website, and the second thing is a web hosting account for your website. Domain name means the address of your website, for example www.yourwebsitename.com, and web hosting is a service that allow you to bring your website live on the internet. For example, if you design your website so nobody can view your website on the internet until you host your website with a web hosting provider. And after you host your website with a hosting provider, then anyone can visit your website by typing the web address of your website in their browser. For example, if someone will type www.yourwebsitename.com, so they will land on your website if your website is hosted with a web hosting provider. So all you need is a domain name and a web hosting account for your drop servicing website. Now there are a lot of domain name and web hosting provider companies, and based on my experience I will recommend you Bluehost, and there are different reasons why I am recommending Bluehost. The first reason is they have built a solid reputation among all the hosting providers. Even WordPress is officially recommending Bluehost for web hosting. Their prices are cheap as compared to other hosting providers. Their website uptime is 99.9%, so your website will never go down. They provide 24/7 support to their customers. They provide easy WordPress installation in just few steps. Also, you can create your domain name email address for free. They will provide you pre-SSL certificates. If you don't know SSL, so SSL is a security certificate that enable encrypted connection on your website. SSL encryption can help prevent hackers from stealing private information such as credit card numbers, bank information, names and addresses, etc. from your website. And you know that on your drop servicing website, customer will pay you on your website using their credit cards, debit cards or PayPal. So you need to have SSL certificates installed on your website, and Bluehost is providing that to you for free. So looking to all these features, I will recommend you Bluehost for web hosting. Now I will teach you how to take a domain name and hosting from Bluehost, and also I will teach you how to install WordPress on your website. So in the resources after this lecture, I will add my own reference link to Bluehost. So if you click on that link, Bluehost will provide you a 33% discount, plus they will provide you a pre.com domain name for 1 year. So after clicking on that link, you will land on this page. Now here you will click on get started, and then here on the next page you will see that Bluehost is providing you different plans like basic plan, plus, choice plus and pro plan. But I will recommend you to choose one from these two plans, the basic plan and the plus plan. If you see here, with the basic plan you can host only one website, and with the plus plan you can host unlimited website. If you want to create only a single website, then basic plan is good for you. But if you want to create multiple websites, like a website for your drop servicing business and a separate website for your other businesses, or a website for blogging or e-commerce, or if you want to have multiple drop servicing websites for different niches, then you can choose the plus hosting plan. Because with this plan you can host unlimited website with this single account. But in the basic plan you can host only one website. So it is totally up to you which plan is best for you to choose. So for demonstration I will choose the basic plan. So I will click here on the select button. Now here you will need to choose a domain name for your website. And if you have clicked on the link that I have provided you in the resources, so you will get this domain name for free. So make sure to choose the .com TLD and then write your domain name here. So for demonstration, I will write here something like Zishan Services. And then I will click on next. Now here you can see the domain zishanservices.com is available. But in case your domain name is not available, then you will go back and you will choose a different domain name, or you will do some changes in your domain name to see if that is available or not. So in this case, this domain name is available, so I will scroll down now. Now here first you will write your first name, then you will write your last name, and the business name is optional. So it is up to you if you want to write your business name here or if you want to leave it blank. Then you will choose your country, your street address, city, state, zip code, and your phone number. And then you will write your email address here. But make sure to write your active email address here because Bluehost will send you a confirmation email on this email address. And then if we scroll down, now here you will choose the account plan. So if I click on the drop down button, so here you can see that if you are buying this package for 12 months, so it will cost you $5.95 per month. And if you are buying this package for 24 months, then it will cost you $4.95 per month. And if you are buying it for 36 months, then it will cost you $3.95 per month. For example, if I choose basic 36 month price, so it will cost me $142 per 3 years, that is for 36 months. And you have to note here one thing, that this $142 is your total investment in this drop servicing business per 3 years. And if you got only 3 orders on your drop servicing website, so you will recover this investment in just 3 orders. And if you want to buy this package for 1 year, so you will click on the drop down button and you will choose here 12-month price. And you can see here for 1 year it will cost you $71.40. So again you can recover this investment with just 2 orders on your drop servicing website. And here you can see our domain name is free, and also we are getting pre-SSL certificates. Now if we scroll down, so I will uncheck these options because we don't need these services. And here you can see the total amount we are supposed to pay is $71. Now here is the payment information. So here you will provide your payment information. So if you want to pay with credit card or debit card, so you will provide your details here. But if you want to pay with PayPal, so you will click here on more payment options, and then here you will check the radio button for pay with PayPal. And after providing your payment information, you will scroll down and you will check this box to agree with the terms and condition, and then you will click on the submit button. So after clicking on the submit button, you will land on this page, and here you can see that Bluehost is saying that your purchase was successful and we sent a confirmation email to your email address. So you will receive an email from Bluehost and you would need to click on the confirmation link inside that email to confirm your email. And then you will click on create account to create an account on Bluehost. So you will click on create account button, and then here you will type your domain name. So in this case it was zishanservices.com, but in your case whatever is your domain name you will write that here, and then you will write a password and you will retype the password. Now remember that when you are logging into your Bluehost account, so this domain name will be your username and this password will be the password for your Bluehost account. So after providing your domain name and password, click on create account. Now here you can see your account is ready to go. Now you can go to login. So click on the go to login button, and here provide your domain name and password and then click on login. Now here Bluehost will ask you some question for installing WordPress on your website. So you don't have to worry about this. You can write anything here because later we can change it from our WordPress dashboard. So you can write any name for your website here and write any tagline here and then click on continue. Now again check any options here and then click on continue to theme selection. Now here you can choose a theme for your WordPress website, but you can click on skip this step because we will be using a different theme for our website. So click on skip this step. Now here you will see that Bluehost is installing WordPress on your website. So it will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes for installing WordPress on your website. And after this, you will be prompted to this page, and this is your Bluehost cPanel account. And here you will see a button WordPress. So clicking on this button, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard, and maybe you will see a different button like this one. log into your WordPress dashboard. So if you click on this log into WordPress, you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now remember that there are two methods for logging into your WordPress dashboard. The first method is simply you will click here on the login to WordPress in your Bluehost cPanel account and you will be logged into your WordPress dashboard. And the second method is to open your browser and type here your website name.com /wp-admin and then press enter. So you will land on this page and this is your WordPress login page. Now here you will write your WordPress username and password. And this username and password for your WordPress dashboard will be sent to you from Bluehost in an email. So you can copy it from there and paste it here and then click on login button. So after clicking on the login button, you will land on your WordPress dashboard. So this is your WordPress dashboard and from here you can design and build any type of website like a drop servicing website, a business website, a blog, or an e-commerce website, or any type of website that you want to create. So if you are new to WordPress, I will give you a brief introduction on how to use WordPress in the next lecture.